This is unusual. For the first time in my life, I'm going to read a poem. Obviously, that's Sandra, not me. But like Alfred Hitchcock in his films, I make a cameo appearance, which is strange. So, this poem is 4 years ago at this time, and it's the first time I've met Sam because Claire has asked me to be part of her birthday present. And one of the things that I have always done is work with people and take them on walks. Walks about Liverpool, but also walks about what people want to do with their lives. So the picture is Sam and me walking around the North Docks on a slate grey, freezing cold February day, talking about the past and the future, what she might want to do, where she might want to be, what life means to her and everything. And, you know, we made some decisions, had some dreams, thought about what would be perfect, thought about at one point, what would you do? Which is a thing that I often ask people, what would you do if you thought you didn't have much time left? And we talked about that. And after the day, I mean, Sam got on with loads of the stuff that we did, but she also sent me this poem. And so when Sam and Claire asked me to read it, and I said, well, it was 4 years ago, but, you know, I don't know what's happened to the poem since then. So, but actually the poem said the way it is. So here we are, we're down along the dock road by the Titanic Hotel and the bridge that's there. We're walking along in and out of the docks. Tracks from a heyday in another century going nowhere, save to an old memory. Historic tales of lines in sand, lives of hundreds of thousands, travelled, worked, hauled. Feelings of all life has to throw, lifetimes etched in a vibration, a ringing in the imagination. A dusty, black and white photo image drawn from old-fashioned pictures of men in caps. Hordes back and forth as seasons turn ice to scorch. Cobbles, rickety horse and cart carriages. Bells ringing, on, off, stop, start, constant motion. A great overhead railway. Must have been posh as any modern ever was. He traces the tales and trials of yesterday, a guardian today. A digitalised click, his lens capturing meaning. Roadworks, pneumatic drill, transforming the old. The lines remain. Traces of metal etched in old concrete. He asks, what would be your new? If you condensed all into one last year, what would be your life? I trace back old lines, lines drawn in the sand of my own doing. I am back and forth the same tracks, with new photographs of the same place. Reoccurring missions, such a rush backwards and forwards. Why did I travel to now? And how will I know which way to choose for me? A future compacted. What hopes, what dreams to live? What desires strongest? I will hold her. I will hold her I love closest.